11 Science Subject Mathematics and Statistics Part 1st Chapter number 1st Angle and Measurement. Dear students, we are going to study examples on angles between hour hand and minute hand of a clock. First we learn relation between angle and time in a clock. R is rotation. Minute hand. Minute hand complete one rotation of 360 degrees. A minute hand complete one rotation, then it have 60 minutes. Therefore 60 minutes equal to 360 degree. Therefore 1 minute equal to 6 degree rotation. Take the hour hand. Hour hand also complete one rotation of 360 degree. Hour hand complete one rotation in 12 hours. Therefore 12 hours equal to 360 degree. Divide by 12 to 360 degree, 1 hour equal to 30 degree. Hour hand completes 1 hour, then angle is 30 degree. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Therefore 60 minutes equal to 30 degree. In 1 minute divide by 60 on RHS. In 1 minute hour hand take an angle 30 divided by 60, that is 1 divided by 2 degree. The word minute is used for time measurement as well as 60th part of a degree of angle. We learn examples. Example number 29. Find the angle between hour hand and minute hand in a clock at 10 past 11. Find the angle between hour hand and minute hand. Time is 10 past 11 means 11 hours and 10 minutes. Solution. The angle between any two consecutive numbers of a clock is 360 degree divided by 12 equal to 30 degree. We know that hour hand completes one rotation of 360 degree. Hour hand complete one rotation, that is in 12 hours. Therefore 360 degree divided by 12 equal to 30 degree. Angle between two consecutive numbers, that is angle between 12 and 1 is 30. Angle between 1 and 2 is 30. In this way, if the minute hand is at 2 and hour hand is at 11, then the angle between them is 3 into 30 equal to 90 degree. If minute hand at 2 and hour hand is at 11, as at 11, then angle between 11 and 2, here is angle 30 plus 30 is 60 plus 30 is 90. Therefore 3 multiplied 30 is 90 degree, angle between 11 and 12. But at 10 past 11, that means 11 hours and 10 minutes, the hour hand is moved 10 minutes towards 12. Here is hour hand in 10 minutes move towards a 12. Towards a 12. In 60 minutes, the hour hand covers 30 minutes. We already studied. Therefore, in 10 minutes it covers. We find the angle in 10 minutes by hour hand. Therefore, 10 into 30 degree divided by 60. Here is 0, 0 cancel. We get 30 divided by 6 degree equal to 5 degree. That is the angle by hour hand in 10 minutes. We find the angle between two hands of a clock at 10 past 11 is. Here is angle between 11 and 2 is 90 degree. Here is hour hand in 10 minutes. Take the angle is 5 degree. Therefore 90 degree minus 5 degree equal to 85 degree. Example number 30. Find the angle between hour and a minute hand in a clock at 20 past 7. That means 7 hours and 20 minutes. Find angle between hour hand and minute hand. Here is 7 hours and 20 minutes. Solution. The angle between any two consecutive numbers of a clock is 360 degree divided by 12 equal to 30 degree. If the minute hand is at 4 and hour hand is at 7, this position minute hand is at 4 and hour hand suppose 7, then angle between them is 3 into 30 degree equal to 90 degree. That is angle between 7 and 4. Here is 30 plus 30 60 plus 30 90. That is 3 into 30 degree equal to 90 degree. But at 20 past 7, that is, at 7 hours 20 minutes, the hour hand has moved 20 minutes towards 8. In 20 minutes, hour hand moved towards 8, this position. We know that in 60 minutes, the hour hand covers 30 degrees. Therefore, in 20 minutes, it covers 20 into 30 divided by 60. That is 600 divided by 60 equal to 10 degree. Therefore, the angle between two hands of a clock at 20 past 7 is equal to, that is, angle between at 7 hours and 20 minutes. Here is 30 plus 30 plus 30. That is 3 into 30 is 90 degree. Angle in 20 minutes is 10 degree. That is 90 plus 10 degree is equal to 100 degree. Here is 90 degree plus 10 degree equal to 100 degree. The angle between two hands of a clock. Example number 31. Find the angle between hour hand and minute hand in a clock at 35 past 1. Means 1 hour and in 35 minutes. Find the angle. Solution. The angle between any two consecutive number of a clock is 360 degree divided by 12 equal to 30 degree. Here is angle between two consecutive number is 30. If the minute hand is at 7 and hour hand is at 1, then angle between them is. Here is minute hand at 7 and suppose hour hand is at 1, then angle between them. Here is angle between them. We find first 30 plus 30, here is 60 plus 30 90 plus 30 120 plus 30 150 plus 30 180. That means 6 into 30 degree equal to 180 degree, angle between 1 and 7. But at 35 past 1 means 1 hour and 35 minutes. The hour hand is moved 35 minutes towards 2. Here is first hour hand is at 1, but here minute hand take 35 minutes, then hour hand moves towards 2. Then find the angle of hour hand in 35 minutes. We know that in 60 minutes the hour hand covers 30 degree. Therefore in 35 minutes it covers, here is 35 into 30 divided by 60. Simplifying we get 70 degree 30 minutes. Therefore, the angle between two hands of a clock at 35 past 1. Here is angle between 1 and 7 is 180 degree. Here is minus this angle by 35 minutes is 70 degree 30 minutes. Then we get 162 degree 30 minutes. Example number 32. Find the angle between hour hand and minute hand in a clock at quarter to 6, means 5 hours and 45 minutes. Here is 5 hours in 45 minutes position. Find the angle between two hands. The angle between any two consecutive number of a clock is 360 degree divided by 12 equal to 30 degree. If the minute hand is at 9 and the hour hand is at 5, minute hand is at 9 and hour hand is at 5, then angle between them between 5 to 9. Here is 30 degree plus 30 60 plus 30 90 plus 30 120. That is 4 into 30 degree 120 degree. But at quarter to 6 means 5 hours and 45 minutes. The hour hand is moved 45 minutes towards 6. Here is hour hand. Move towards 6 in 45 minutes. Here is minute hand. Start from here and in 45 minutes it takes the position at 9. Then hour hand also changes from 5 towards the 6. Therefore find angle of hour hand in 45 minutes. We know that in 60 minutes the hour hand covers 30 degree. Therefore in 45 minutes it covers 45 into 30 divided by 60 degree. Simplifying we get 22 degree 30 minutes. Therefore, the angle between two hands of a clock at quarter to 6 equal to. Here is total angle 120 minus the angle made by hour hand in 45 minutes is 20 degree 30 minutes. Therefore, 120 degree minus 22 degree 30 minutes equal to 97 degree 30 minutes. Also find the angle between hour hand and minute hand of a clock at quarter past 5. Here is quarter past 5 means 5 hours and 15 minutes. 5 hours and 15 minutes. Find the angle between two hands. Solution. We know that when our hand moves from one clock mark to the next one, it turns through an angle of 360 degree divided by 12 equal to 30 degree. Here is angle between two marks. At quarter past 5, minute hand is pointing to 3, means 5 hours and 15 minutes. Hour hand has gone past 5. Minute hand is at 5. Minute hand pointing to 5. And hour hand gone past 5. Gone past 5. So the angle between them is more than 60 degree. Here is and 30 degree plus 30 is 60 degree. Then angle is more than 60 degree because in 15 minutes our hand takes the position past to 5. In 1 minute our hand turns through 1 divided by 2 degree. We know that. In 1 minute our hand takes an angle of 1 by 2 degree. Therefore, in 15 minutes, it has turned through 15 divided by 2 degree, that is 7.5 degree. Its angle of our hand in 15 minutes is 15 divided by 2 degree is 7.5 degree. Thus, the angle between the hands is equal to the 60 degree. Here is 30 plus 30 60 or plus angle in 15 minutes, that is 7.5 degree. Therefore, 60 degree plus 7.5 degree equal to 67.5 degree. Example number 34. Find the angle between hour hand and minute hand of a clock at quarter to 12. Here is quarter to 12. Solution. When hour hand moves from one mark to the next one, it turns through an angle of 360 degree divided by 12 equal to 30 degree. At quarter to 12 means 11 hours and 45 minutes. Minute hand is pointing 9 and hour hand is between 11 and 12. Through it is nearer to 12. It will take 15 minutes, that is 7.2 degree to reach 12. In 15 minutes, hour hand takes the position of 12. Therefore, we know that in 15 minutes, angle of hour hand is 15 divided by 2 is 7.5 degree. Therefore, the angle between the hands is equal to, here is 30 plus 30 60 plus 30 90. 90 minus, we find here angle between 15 minutes is 7.5 degree. Therefore, 90 degree minus 7.5 degree equal to 82.5 degree. Example number 35. Find the angle between hour hand and minute hand at in a clock at 2 hours and 20 minutes. And find the solution by another method. We know that the hour hand complete one rotation of 360 degree in 12 hours. Hour hand, starting from here, take the complete one rotation of 360 degree in 12 hours. Here is 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, total 12 hours. Here we know that 1 hour means 60 minutes. Therefore, 12 hours means 720 minutes. In 1 minute, hour hand turn through an angle of, in 1 minute, find the angle of hour hand. That is 360 degree divided by 720. That is 1 divided by 2 degree. At 20 minutes past 2, minute hand have the position OB. 220. Minute have the position OB, and hour hand the position OA. Hour hand the position OA. 2:20 minute hand pointed to 4 and hour hand just passed from 2. In 12 o'clock the hour hand at OC. In 12 o'clock hour hand is at the point at the position OC, mark to 2. Then measure of angle AOC. Here is measure of angle AOC. Find this angle. In 12 o'clock hour hand is at 2. In 20 minutes it takes the angle of AOC. We know that hour hand in 1 minute angle is 1 by 2 degree. Therefore, in 20 minutes hour hand take an angle 20 into 1 divided by 2 degree equal to 10 degree. That is measure of angle AOC. Angle by hour hand in 20 minutes. 20 into 1 by 2 is 10 degree. That is angle AOC. Then the angle between hour hand and minute hand of a clock at 20 minutes past 2. That is, we find the measure of angle AOB. The position as 220. Here is AOB. Then is equal to measure of angle BOC minus measure of angle AOC. Then measure of angle BOC minus measure of angle AOC. Here is measure of angle BOC is 60 degree. Here is BOC. Here is 2 to 3 is 30 degree. 3 to 4 is 30 plus 30, that is 2 to 3 30, 3 to 4 30. 30 plus 30 is 60 degree. Minus measure of angle AOC, that is angle in 20 minutes is 10 degree. Therefore 60 degree minus 10 degree equal to 50 degree. That is measure of angle AOB, the angle between hour hand and minute hand. Example number 36. Find the angle between hour hand and minute hand in a clock at 10 hours 10 minutes. Solution. The hour hand complete one rotation of 360 degree in 12 hours. That is in 720 minutes. In 1 minute, hour hand turn through an angle of 360 divided by 720, that is 1 divided by 2 degree. At 10 minutes past 10, minute hand have the position OB and hour hand have the position OA. 10 hours 10 minutes. Minute hand have the position OB and hour hand has the position OA. We find the angle between two hands, that is AOB, at 10 hours 10 minutes. In 10 o'clock the hour hand at OC. Suppose in 10 o'clock hour hand at OC and minute hand is as 12. Then minute hand take the position 2 and hour hand take the position OA at 10:10. Therefore, measure of angle AOC. Find this angle. Measure of angle AOC. Angle by hour hand in 10 minutes. We know that hour hand take an angle 1 by 2 degree in 1 minute. Therefore, in 10 minutes, 10 into 1 by 2 degree equal to 5 degree. That is measure of angle AOC. We find angle between two hands, that is AOB. The angle between hour hand and minute hand of a clock at 10 hours and 10 minutes equal to measure of angle AOB equal to measure of angle BOC minus measure of angle AOC. Total angle is BOC minus AOC. Angle BOC, that is, here is angle 30 plus 30 is 60 plus 30 is 90 plus 30 is 120. BOC is 120 degree minus measure of angle AOC, that is 5 degree. 120 degree minus 5 degree equal to 150 degree. That is measure of angle AOB, angle between hour hand and minute hand. Thank you.